Hi, it's Richard from eBroker Software. Today we're going to have a look at Word templates. Now, Word templates, pretty straightforward. They're Word documents with a bunch of merge fields in there, which you can drive from the client contact screen, either from postal or from email. So if you were writing a letter to a client, you'd simply double click on postal, you name the document in here, 2 or 3 words, and you would have previously chosen a pre-formatted template from here. So we'll just get out of there. The same thing with email. Double click email. The system offers you the chance to use a pre-formatted template. So if you're saying something to a client on a regular basis, or you have a welcome client letter for each new client, then you could create a template for that and drive it from the template, which saves you a whole lot of repeat typing. Let's get rid of that. No, we don't want to save the changes. So how do we go about creating a Word template? So that's simply done through admin, Word templates, and there are a whole bunch of templates in here. That's obviously our own templates. We only ship the thing with client letter, but let's go and have a look at what's involved in making a brand new template. Now you need to specify where you're going to actually drive the template from, and what I mean by that is whether you're going to drive it from a member record, a policy record, or a proposal record. And we're not trying to be difficult here. The issue is that Microsoft restrict the number of merge fields that you can actually tag to a document. I think it's some obscure number like 62. So we couldn't actually give you access to every possible merge field in the database from the one document, so we've had to split it up into places that you're likely to drive that kind of document from. Now in practice, I think 95% of the documents you create and send are going to be member-centric documents, so that's what we'll show you today. So let's call it test, press enter to add that line to the screen, and then pick that up and simply double click to launch that blank template. So here it is, it's launched. And now we need to put some merge fields in. So we'll probably start first of all with the date. So we'll see if I can drive Word for you. So we'll go and find the date. Let's use that one. We'll bring that down a wee bit. And then space a couple of enters from there, and then we're going to go back to mailings. So on your menu, click mailings, and that will give you 2 fields that or 2 options that you use here: insert merge field and preview results. So we'll start with insert merge field, and we kick off with the mail salutation. Press enter. Oh, we've got that stupid spacing going on. So if we go layout, we go after is nothing. No. Microsoft's really difficult like this. Go back to mailings. Maybe we'll fix that up afterwards. So go back to insert merge field, and the next thing we're going to do is company name or property name. It's gone back to that space and a half. Next one is level or building name. And then we do street name, which also picks up the street number, suburb or rural delivery, town or city, and then on the same line 5 space bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the NZ Post guideline and the postcode. We'll come down and we'll write dear space and then insert merge field, and we'll go with this one, family salutation. Now you preview the results, so it points it to the record that you're already in. So that's looking pretty good, but the spacing's all off, so let's go back and we'll see if we can muck up that spacing altogether. So go back to, what are we going to do, layout I think, and if we go, leave it at that, see what happens. And now if we go back to mailings and preview results, there you go. So that's pointing at our postal address. And then you could put in a bunch of other merge fields from here. Sorry, let's just go back to the setup here. So you just toggle it between preview results and the insert and merge field thing. So we'll come down and you could have date of birth, age, smoker, occupation, consultant date, phone numbers, all of those things, right up to I think from memory there were 62 merge fields, possible merge fields that you can use from there. But these are the main ones. 90% of the letters you use will only have this in it. So you can then save that document, exit from Word completely, exit from the Word template area, and now if we were to go to Postal, double click Postal, and if we write test up here, then there's our template for YouTube, and click create, and then whoops, sorry, and there is our merge letter. So you could then carry on, blah blah blah, and simply save that, exit from Word, exit from here, and then when we go back into Journal, there's our test for YouTube letter, double click, open, and there's our letter. So as you can see, pretty simple to set up a Word template, which you can then drive out of either email or postal. So it's just a matter of putting a bit of thought into what repetitive stuff you're doing. If you're writing to a client and saying the same thing over and over to different clients, then create a template for that to cut down your work. So I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have any queries, questions, you know where to catch us. Thanks again for watching.